Hey guys, this is Nico, and this is my Rube Goldberg project for AP Physics C, Homestead High School, period 6. So my simple task to complete was to staple two pieces of paper together, and these two papers look like this. Yeah, basically the grades I wish I had. So anyway, here's the list of steps, or what it's going to look like, and how I'm going to staple those pieces of paper in the end. So this first airplane pendulum will hit the foam ball. The foam ball will roll down this inclined ramp into the red solo cup, which will not be lifted up, but instead will be pulled down. That solo cup is connected to strings that go through pulleys, so it is an Atwood machine. And you could see the little polished pulleys. Yeah, quite nice, huh? No, I'm just kidding. Next, the string will lift a excavator, toy, shovel, and which will make the marble roll down the measuring tape. Right now there's a piece of tape right there just to keep the marble from rolling down, just in case. The marble will fall in the bottle, which is cut in half, and spin in little circles. When the ball drops through the neck, it'll release the yellow golf ball, and the ball will roll down a series of ramps. The series of ramps does look different from the video, as we had to extend the time a little bit. Anyway, after that, the golf ball will hit the plastic stick, which will rotate and release the skateboard wheel. It will hit those books. The books will fall in a domino effect and close the scissors. The scissors will cut the string, and the string is actually connected to a sports band. The sports band is also attached to a string, which is attached on the other side to a Jenga piece, which releases the next system. The system is actually consists of a ramp with a fulcrum in the middle, so that when the Jenga piece is released, the dominoes on the other end will drop and the ball will roll down. The ball will hit a few dominoes, the Jenga piece and the big plastic Lego, and it will hit the Hot Wheels truck, or monster truck. That will knock down the next set of dominoes. Now this machine here consists of short ramps and skewers. When the yellow ball hits the skewer will rotate, hitting the blue bouncy ball, which will allow it to roll down its own ramp, which will hit the next skewer and release the next bouncy ball, which is red. And the bouncy ball will roll down and hit the Jenga blocks, which will hit the following books. These books will land on this coloring book. Under this is a small Jenga piece, which will act as a fulcrum. That way, when the book lands on it, the water bottle will be flipped over and will spill in this homemade funnel. The water will then go down into the clear tube and into the red solo cup. As the amount of water in the solo cup increases, it will drop, obviously. Those are rubber bands holding it up. And the solo cup is tied to a string, which is tied to a paper clip. And when the paper clip is pulled, it will release the zip line. The zip line has a string to it connected to a Jenga block at the bottom of the tower. The tower will, in fact, fall over, knocking over these books in a domino effect. And this last heavy book will land on the stapler. The stapler in the following video is not placed the same, but it does have the same outcome. Enjoy. Yeah. Okay. Continue. Ta-da. Yeah. Okay.
gun to get respect up on the street. Under the sun, the bastard son will pump the clock to feed himself and family.
Pusle, pusle.